I brought everything inside me.
When was that?
Huh?
When was that?
A couple months ago.
Oh, we'll be doing the show on the 10th. Try sitting over here.
Alrighty. Hello.
Hey, baby.
Check. Check. Hello from the west side. What? Stepping on my own cord. Everybody wants to show if you miss one of them. They're lost. They're not, but at this point, it's only what, 2 shows left?
Hey, how'd you discover Keith Hemmerling?
At the Unurban Cafe, playing his songs.
Yeah?
Really good songs.
And I heard you're the one that was singing those songs.
See, people didn't understand the genius in those songs, and I had to open their eyes and show them. But after a while, they all came around, and they started going, hey, you know what? This is really good, and it's fun. Even the depressing songs are fun. I like them. I'm waiting for the next album.
Can you describe Keith Hemmerling's music in just a few words or a few sentences?
Jesus, let me see. It's. Huh. No, I can't. It's good. It's good. I like it.
Paul,
Yes, sir.
if you want to sing another song besides Methadone Maintenance Man, any song, that's cool too.
Oh, that's the only one that we rehearsed for.
It can be any song. One
Oh.
of your songs or
Okay.
any song, whatever you want to do.
Okay. I just drove from Long Beach.
How's it?
Oh, I'm tired. But I'm ready to play.
Okay, baby.
How have you been doing?
I'm doing good.
I haven't seen you guys since the last time I saw you guys.
Thursday night man, right?
No, Thursday morning, Thursday and Friday morning.
Thursday, Friday morning man. Whenever it is we're not around.
Oh wow, we're gonna have some kind of dueling madness.
That's because you're left-handed.
Should we switch over?
It's only because you're left. You have to do like the Beatles.
It's gonna be the German version, of course.
You do a little performance art with this on this one.
Now that I'm on my own, backs against the wall. Understand people don't know just what they're talking about. Yeah, baby.
Popeyes take control. I'm damned from the city, reactionary, and I know I got time to be free. I can see things how I wanna see, kind of funny, yeah. If you want it to be. My friends are gone to make it his or her own way. I love the lifestyle, yeah, but I could not stay. No way. A second-class citizen, double standard dealing every day. They demand an execution, or I'll be driven insane. Who want to be free? I can see things how I wanna see. Kinda funny, yeah. If you want it to be. Thank you guys.